Hey guys, it's time to put the Vivo X21 against its godfather, Apple iPhone X. It's time to see how good Vivo X21 phone is against the iPhone X because clearly a lot of things are inspired from Apple. So I want to see how this phone will go in performance against Apple. So Snapdragon 660 AI processor is inside on the Vivo X21. They went with the Qualcomm chip because this is their pro flagship phone. Alright guys, we are in position and it's time to boot up both phones up at the same time because this is the stage 1 of our speed test. So as you can see, the Vivo logo comes up first and Apple logo is also there. iPhone X is one of the most fastest booting phones that I've tested out on the channel. Let's see, can the Vivo defeat the Apple, their godfather, in this test or not? Both are taking some time, and the iPhone X is on, of course, Apple 11, like I said, one of the most fastest booting phones. Vivo's still taking quite a long time here and should be, yes, it's on now. Check out that in-display fingerprint scanner. It works almost all the time, and this is something I would like to see from Apple as well in the future. So, I mean, they can certainly make a display ID or something like that because the technology completely works on the Vivo phone. So, but this video is about performance, so we're gonna kick things off by opening the phone dialer application on both phones at the same time. Let's go. And I think that was maybe a little bit faster on the iPhone X. Again, a really close battle. Both have some kind of animations going on, so we can go here with the settings, and I think that was about the same. Again, you guys are the judge here. Let's jump to some third-party actions. So we got Subway Surfer on both phones. Here we go. And okay. So there's a huge price difference between these two phones. Obviously, the iPhone X is the most expensive phone on the market. It is coming with a $1,000 price point, and the Vivo phone is gonna get launched soon in different markets for about in between $400 to $500 range. We're gonna keep that in mind while doing this test comparison. So next up is pinout. So iPhone, of course, is better when it comes to opening of games, obviously, but you can see that there are a lot of applications still not optimized for the iPhone display. And a good thing about Android in general is that, I mean, applications, they are pushing the full display all the way on the top. A lot of application works, so that's awesome. Next we got Smash Hit, another game. And again, the iPhone X slightly faster there. Let's launch stuff other than the game. So first up is Snapchat. And a little bit faster on the Vivo X21. Spotify. And that is also faster on the Vivo X21. Next up, we got Soundcloud. And that is about the same, maybe a little bit faster on the iPhone X. Opening up Quora. And let's see, quicker on the Vivo X21. Scrolling and everything looks smooth on both phones. Now next up is Instagram. And let's see, okay, the Vivo X21 faster there with the latest feed. Let's check my profile. That got a little bit faster on the iPhone X compared to the Vivo, but you can see they are pretty fast. The overall feed was faster on the Vivo X21 in the start. So next up, we're going to be launching the Alto game, and this is going to be the 4th game, I guess. So let's see. The iPhone, little bit faster there, you can see. Just a tiny bit difference there. I mean, this is a pretty capable chip. Snapdragon 660 supports all the major features that you want on your phone. In my opinion, it's a much better choice over the MediaTek processors that they go for in their normal phones like Vivo V9. Now time for a browser action. So we got Google Chrome up against the Safari browser on the iPhone. So let's quickly hit go at the same time. First website is wikipedia.org. And as you can see, the Vivo X21 UD is faster here with the first website. Next up, we got apple.com. And okay, Vivo is the first one to come to the website and also finished off faster compared to the iPhone X. It's Apple's own website, Apple's own phone, but Vivo is faster there. So a little bit faster again, not a huge difference. Scrolling looks pretty smooth on both phones. No lag whatsoever. Now, time to test out the RAM management on both phones. Check out the first application, Phone Dialer, kept in the memory by both phones. Settings, and that's still there. Subway Surfers, still there on both phones. Really good performance. Pinout, still there. Smash Hit, Snapchat, Spotify. So far so good, no refresh on any of the devices. We're gonna go and launch Soundcloud, still there. Quora, Instagram, Alto, okay, still there. And we're back to the browser, so excellent performance on both phones. Guys, overall, I have to say I'm pretty impressed by the performance of the Vivo X21 UD. I mean, the big reason why I like this phone is because of the in-display fingerprint scanner, but the performance is also really, really good. And it was a China exclusive phone, but it's actually coming to India and other regions as well. So I think it's going to be a pretty big deal once it gets released in these regions because it has an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now the performance that we have tested is also pretty good. So I will be doing some more testing against the Galaxy S9 Plus as well because that phone is like one of the most fastest and one of the most powerful Android phone that we have. So we'll see how that performance will go. So make sure to stay tuned for that and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Follow me on Instagram and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.